What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, and we are patiently awaiting Shibarium. We've been doing so.
I don't know about patiently.
Yeah, people are getting a little restless. But listen, I think this is obviously something that really it's the first main utility, Austin. I mean, it's they've built this massive community, and now it's all about utility. And this is the first big one tying in the ecosystem. What's crazy is about SHIB, I've always said this, they've kind of reverse engineered this process, right? Where they've built out this massive community and then they said, okay, now that we've got y'all here, what do we want to do? And Shibarium's first up.
Yeah, I think Shibarium is the most important piece of technology that Shiba Inu has and will ever release. And I think it's more important than the metaverse. It's more important than anything. It will be the heart of the ecosystem on so many fronts, on everything, every single component of that exists now and that is coming in the future, the Shiba Net, Shiba Swap 2.0, metaverse, etc. The game, the Shiba Eternity, in one facet will touch Shibarium in one way or the other. And I think I agree with you. They've retrofitted, they're retrofitting, transactional burns. Again, Shibarium that will be associated with that. I think they've done a good job. They will never please everybody all at once because their community is so big. Their community, and this is a good thing, right? The Shiba Inu community is made up of some fairly new, very new crypto investors that tend to want everything 5 minutes ago, and they want to make 45% moves up every single day. So that, but I think they're doing a good job, so that's my thoughts.
In terms of when it's coming, Shaitoshi did give a little bit of a hint toward that, changing his bio, which he always is doing something like this, kind of a coded secret code, if you will. And so he changed his bio, something to a heart-shaped box, and a lot of people alluding that could mean February, that could mean Valentine's Day. So we're looking toward the first couple weeks of February here. But remember, guys, too, a lot of this is falling back on Unification, the company behind the building out of Shibarium, right? Because this is being outsourced. So a lot of it, a lot of people, want to fire back at Shaitoshi and the SHIB dev team where, they're kind of at the mercy of the company behind this. And here's what I think, though. I mean, if this is, as you said, Austin, something that's going to set them up for the next decade, right, and beyond, then let's get it right. It doesn't, regardless if it comes out January, February, or March of 2023, I just want it to be right. So take your time. Let's get it right, and then let's roll it out. That's at least.
And again, I think, and I know you do these videos on your channel, I do these videos on my channel. Again, this is a massive, very complex piece of technology, Shibarium. They're on, and so what are they doing? They're launching a very limited, what's called a beta test net version. And people, I think people expect, when it's here, it's like, okay, we're good. No, that's not how this works. You have to launch it. You have to test it. You have to get everything, all the, validators and all that kind of stuff set up. And then you troubleshoot, you put that test net version through a lot of technical, bug finding, editing, killing processes. And then ultimately when you're like, okay, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Everybody looks around. Then you go live with a mainnet version. So, and we don't have any idea how long that will take. That might take months for that or longer, So again, that's that education process,
100%. But we'll be here covering it for you right here on the, this channel, on the ClearCryptos channel, but also on our personal channels. So make sure you guys check out all the links down below if you want to learn more about ClearCryptos. They just inked a big deal with USFCR, major corporation. They just launched in October too, so many more things coming here in 2023. We'll see you.